Hi, I'm Chuck Lofton. Well, some storms around today with some pockets of heavy rain, and we'll have this during parts of not only the morning but the evening rush hour. As we move into the afternoon hour, high 80 degrees today, but I think at any time some thunderstorms may pop up. Now that actually will be round 2 of the storms. This is tonight at the State Fair. Craig Morgan at the Free Stage, a great country artist. Looks like temperatures will drop into the 70s. How much rain might we see? I would say between 1/3 of an inch, and in these pockets of heavy rain, perhaps 1.5 inches, even more. And these computer models have actually spit out a little bit more rain. Here's why. This afternoon, the front still off to the west, but the warm, moist air surges ahead of it, so that'll provide us at least with the opportunity of some scattered showers and thunderstorms. By 8 o'clock, that gets out of here. It means the Indy 11 get their game in against Tampa Bay tonight. 80 degrees for a high today. A beautiful day tomorrow at 77.